Hello team, how are you doing? Gavin here from Grown Younger, and this exercise is called the Meadow row, which is named after John Meadows, who's a late bodybuilder. Anyway, this exercise is fantastic for building up the upper back or mid back and grip strength when you do that, okay? So you're going to use a landmine setup, so you can tack in a barbell into a landmine setup, or you can pin it against the wall. And the way you do it is line it up with the bar going through the middle of your foot. This leg drops back a little bit and you got a nice big setup. It's like a 90 degrees, okay? Come down into this and put your elbow on your knee, grab hold of the bar, and you can see there's a bit of a stretch on my upper back, and you're gonna row it back up. And the barbell should just come up to the inside of your chest there, and you row it straight back down. Then a stretch, take it back up, down and back up. So move the camera so you can see a different angle from the back side. This way, and you lift up. It's a very different kind of back exercise to what you'd be used to, but give it a try. You're looking at about 12 to 15 reps, where between 12 and 15 is about a failure point for you. It gets quite hard, and about 3 to 4 sets per session. I hope you like the video. Have a good day, and I'll see you on the next one.